Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a week in my hair after a long protective style. If you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. So my hair regimen is going to be starting on Saturday night. So I've had these Marley twists in for about 3 months, I would say, and it's time for them to come out. So I just got off of work and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my Marley twist because my day off is like Tuesday, and I'm just gonna be prepping my hair in advance, so that way on Tuesday all I have to do is just do my wash day routine. This is what my hair is looking like after I took out the Marley twist. I didn't detangle my hair or anything like that because I do have work in the morning, and I'm just gonna figure out how I'm gonna basically style this pretty decent twist out so that way I could wear it for work on Sunday. Now Sunday, and I end up putting my hair up into a high ponytail and wearing it all day like this. So it is now Monday night and I'm finally detangling my hair, and what I'm using to detangle my hair is I'm using water. I just put water into a spray bottle and I'm just gonna soak my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with a VO5 conditioner, the Kiwi Squeeze, and I'm just going to use those two things to detangle my hair. After detangling my hair, I went ahead and hopped in the shower and shampooed my hair with Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, the peppermint kind. And now I'm going to deep condition my hair. I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Black Jamaican Castor Oil Conditioner. This is my first time using it, so we'll see what happens. So since it was really late at night when I decided to go ahead and start my wash day routine, I'm going to go ahead and let this conditioner sit in my hair overnight, and then I'm just going to wash it out in the morning. It is now Tuesday morning, and I'm going to go ahead and wash out the conditioner that I left in last night, and then I'm going to start my light moisturizing routine. For my light moisturizing routine, I'm going to be using Placenta Super Strength Leave-In Instant Conditioning Treatment Spray. And then I'm going to follow it up with the TGIN Butter Cream Daily Moisturizer, as well as a sealant, which today I'm going to be using just regular castor oil. After I moisturize each section, I'm just going to go ahead and rubber band that section and twist it as well, because I'm going to be doing a wash day hairstyle, and I do have a full tutorial on that if you guys want to check it out. It's my first time doing it, and I'll go ahead and link that video in the description box. So now it is Wednesday, and pretty much all I did was just take my bonnet off and take my scarf down, and this is how my hair looks the day after I did it. we have made it to Thursday, and by the time Thursday rolled around, my edges was just looking a bit rough. So I went and stopped by Walmart, and I went and picked up some edge control. I haven't used edge control in years, so because you know, I've been trying to grow back my edges, so I didn't want anything to damage my edges, but I really needed it. So this is my first time using this edge control. If you guys know of any good edge controls, go ahead and leave that in the comment section for me. Thank you, I gladly appreciate it. And I'm just gonna attempt to try to do my edges.
What we do here is go back.
So it is now Friday, and this is the last day of my hair routine, and I'm going to be moisturizing my hair. On Tuesday I did a light moisturizing routine. On Friday this is more of my regular moisturizing routine. So I'm basically going to be using aloe vera, and that's what's in the spray bottle, and then I'm gonna follow up with my Urban Hydration's daily moisturizing cream, and then I'm going to seal all of that in with my henna and amla oil. I do have a video on the aloe vera gel. If you want to check out that video, I'll go ahead and leave it in the description box. And then I also have an updated henna and amla oil video, which I also will leave in the description box as well. So if you guys made it this far to my video, I gladly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys like this video, let me know if you want to see more of it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.